Looking for different ways on what to put on a bridal shower cake? You can choose from classic to traditional that never go out of style. Essentially, bridal shower cakes are all about honoring the celebration. With that, there are many brilliant ways on what to put on a cake. Not only that, but also once you decided on the cake designs, you are ready for an astonishing presentation. In recent years, bridal shower themes and venues have changed a lot. Nevertheless, bridal showers usually take place during the daytime or on a weekend afternoon. Most of the guests are women who are close to the bride. As a tradition, guests should bring gifts to help the bride set up her new home. In that regard, personal gifts include family heirlooms, jewelry, and lingerie. Also, in bridal showers, there are wedding-themed games played. And the event typically serves brunch or lunch. Moreover, the bride's maid of honor, or mother, commonly plans and hosts the bridal shower. Likewise, the groom's mother, aunts, grandmothers, or other close female family members can help plan and foot the bill. Bridesmaids can also help plan and decorate for the event. In that regard, they can chip in with things like desserts, decorations, games, and prizes. What to put on a cake for a bridal shower? Remember, aesthetic elements are what make a cake special. Therefore, a gorgeous sheer table runner tied with a pretty satin bow lends an exquisite feel. In addition to that, the silver chevron print provides an updated modern appearance. Because of these, the combination of all the elements is amazing. Moreover, you can make a cake replica of the bride supported by a simple I do. As a result, this presentation is ideal for an eye-catching cake display. You can also put a feminine corset design suited for a lingerie bridal shower. Or you can put the date to call the attention to the upcoming big day. Besides that, you can put beautiful flowers. Because of that, you will have a fresh and clean cake. If you want an all-out elegance, then it would be best to create a monogram. Because of this, it makes it unique, with pearls and ribbons adding a delicate finishing touch. What to write on a bridal shower cake? Cakes for bridal shower wording could be as simple as congratulations. In addition to that, it can be a quote from the bride's favorite book or movie. So with that, it should be heartfelt. Moreover, it is indeed a pleasure to make a gorgeous cake for the bride. But besides that, the main goal is to make the bride happy by having an epic statement on the cake. Bridal shower cake wordings. Soon to be Mrs. Name. Bride to be. The hunt is over. Cake to kisses, miss to Mrs. Love and happiness forever. Dreams do come true. Showers of happiness, name. Starlight, starbright, name, found her Mr. Right. Once upon a dream. Almost Mrs. Mrs. Loading. Lover, laughter, and happily ever after. She said yes. Future Mrs. Name. Found a keeper. Name, S. Bridal shower. The bride is always right. Marriage has a nice ring to it. To love and to cherish. Congratulations on your wedding. Bridal shower cakes. In today's world, we can enjoy the expression of love. Likewise, we can depict emotions with more modern styles and ideas. For the most part, it would be best to have cuteness and fun added to the bridal shower. In this regard, funny sayings like future Mrs. and almost Mrs. give everyone a smile at the celebration. In addition to that, funny statements about personal stuff and even relationships make it more realistic. That is why it would help to share fun memories with female relatives and close friends. Additionally, technological advances have made our celebrations easier and more comfortable. Also, it has revolutionized and made our lives more stylish. And with that, people hastily adopt most of the technology and applications we encounter. For these reasons, it is best to celebrate bridal showers with 3D designs. Keep in mind that eye-catching 3D bridal shower cakes will indeed please the bride. In addition to that, make her the princess of the day. Moreover, she will enjoy her day and remember it as one of the best days of her life. I mean, who wouldn't be glad about 3D flower arrangements that look exceedingly lovely? Besides that, beads and pearls are hanging from these cakes. Because of that, it provides them with an incredibly stunning appeal. I guarantee that no guest will dare to damage such beauty from a cake. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.